I'd like to thank especially some special guests that we have here today. Representative Jay Inslee was able to join us, and he's going to be saying a few words. He serves on the Energy and Commerce Committee and has been very involved in clean tech matters. He is a co-author of Apollo's Fire, America's Clean Energy, Igniting America's Clean Energy Future. We also have Mayor Don Davidson. We have Jennifer Robertson here from the Bellevue City Council, as well as Conrad Lee. We have Coulom's ChargePoint America Director, Michael Jones, with us, who came up with this group from California, so we really appreciate your being here. Andy Wappler from Puget Sound Energy, our local utility. He is the Vice President of Corporate Affairs. And last but certainly not least, Glenn Bachman, who's here representing Kemper Development. So you're going to hear the voice of government, the voice of utilities involved in this sector, the voice of the private sector, and we are also joined by Charge Northwest, who are the local distributors for the Coulomb technologies and have played a critical role in us being able to get these units here. So without further ado, I'm going to welcome Mayor Don Davidson.
Thank you very much, Data. I appreciate the introduction. Congressman Inslee, I thought you were supposed to be working today.
I am working.
Anyhow, we're really thankful that you did make it here and share with us on this great occasion. And then I have Deputy Mayor over here, Conrad Lee, and Jennifer Robertson, a council member. So we have quite a crew of us elected. So I noticed they kind of divided politicians from the regular public. And that always makes me a little nervous. But anyhow, let me get into some prepared remarks here. We are really excited to be the first installation of charging stations in Bellevue. We believe doing our part in creating an electrical vehicle infrastructure not only brings increased and cleaner travel choices to our community, but it helps us clean up and protect our air, our water, and supports our economic development. Bellevue is proud to have the first installed charging station that is a part of the ChargePoint America program. We are one of 9 regions in the country selected for this rollout. The City of Bellevue is pleased today to partner and work with Coulomb. That's a word that I had trouble with earlier. The Department of Energy and automakers to foster further acceptance, highlights the adoption of electrical vehicles in the Bellevue area. The adoption of electric vehicles requires safe, convenient, accessible public infrastructure. This program will create infrastructure necessary to allow electric vehicles to thrive. The grant will bring hundreds of networked charging stations to our community, which will help create jobs as well as protecting our environment. The federal government has set significant and considerable goals for the widespread adoption of electric vehicles in the coming years. The first installation of these charging stations takes us one step closer to meeting our goals of the Environmental Stewardship Initiative that is adopted by the Bellevue City Council. Just a little bit of a side note. This is really on the cutting edge. And as many people know, Bellevue enjoys to be on the cutting edge. So we really want to thank everybody responsible for this this opportunity that it does give Bellevue to continue on the cutting edge and to introduce new technology to the citizens. I would now like to introduce the ChargePoint American Director, Michael Jones, who will talk a little bit more about the program and what it means to Bellevue. Where's Michael? There, behind me. Oh,
We're surprising you here with a little change of plans here because we have the congressman here. We're going to respect his schedule.
no, come here. Sure? Yeah. Protocol's protocol.